WhatsApp users are being warned about a terrifying new cyber threat that could give hackers full control of their accounts, no password needed. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your place for all the tech news. The attack called ghostpairing was uncovered by security experts at Gen Digital, which took advantage of WhatsApp's own device linking feature to get into accounts. Here's how it works. Victims get a message from a contact they know, but that account has already been hacked. The message is vague, like "I just found your photo," and includes a link. Clicking it seems harmless, often appearing as a Facebook post preview, but it redirects to a phishing website. Once there, users are asked to enter their phone number for verification. Then, attackers start WhatsApp's official device pairing process and make their target to enter a numeric code or scan a QR code. Following these instructions unknowingly connects the hacker's device to the victim's WhatsApp. Once paired, the hacker can read all private messages, view shared photos and videos, and send messages pretending to be the account owner. Many victims don't realize their accounts have been compromised for months, allowing hackers to commit fraud, extort money, or spread the scam further. To stay safe, experts urge to stay away from unsolicited links, even from friends. Always check website URLs carefully and review active connections and linked devices on WhatsApp in settings. Remove any unfamiliar devices immediately and pay attention to alerts when a new device tries to link. A little vigilance can prevent your private chats from falling into the wrong hands. Ghostpairing is shaking you to realize that even trusted apps can be exploited, and one wrong tap could cost you everything. Did you know someone who was hacked like this? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming updates.